5 to 7 inches. Wrap the wire round on the marker. Make sure you leave about a ½ inch. Then curl the top with plier. Adjust your hook. Here you have your DIY crochet ring. Thank you for watching.